Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the assembly of this spark plug. We already have all the components and now let's go ahead and start making this assembly. First, let's open a new SolidWorks document. This time we'll select here assembly, press here OK, and now let's import all the components. So we'll go to browse and select all the components where you have them. And then click open. And let's place them. Alright, let's make this plain white. And now the first one you import is going to be fixed, so let's make it, in my case is this one. I'm gonna make it float and I'm gonna make this shell fixed. Alright, and now let's begin. First select this face with this one and select here concentric. We'll click here reverse the direction. Okay, and now let's select this and let's see if we can make it. No, it's not good. Let's make it back and let's go to the spark plug shell and let's look for the front plane or top plane. Let's select front plane and then select here section view. And now we can see it like this. Press OK. Now we should be able to see inside these two. This will gonna make it easier for us. So let's go ahead and assemble this. Now let's select this edge with this face. So this, okay, this face with this edge should be tangent. Okay, this should be good. I don't know what other mates I had that should have been broken, but sometimes there are some errors. Anyway, now we'll have to select mate from up here and then select this with this one. And we'll select here lock the two components together. Press OK. Now they are locked together. This, the first mate, was just for a reference to bring them as close as possible. And now that we lock them together, they are going to stay like this. Now let's insert the next component. And the next one will be this one, the electrode. So we'll select one of these faces with this one and select here concentric. We'll have to reverse the direction. And now let's bring it like this and then select this face with this one and select here make tangent. Okay, that's very good. Now we'll select this other electrode and we'll select also this face from the insulator. Select here again concentric and make sure that it's like this. And then we'll select this face, the small face with this one, and select here coincide. And now here is the space for the electrodes connector. So select this face with this one, select here concentric, and now we'll have to bring it right here. So to do this, we'll select this one, and every time you have to select one more than one faces. For example, right now you'll have to keep Ctrl pressed to keep selecting them. And we'll select these two faces with these two from the electrodes connector, and then we'll have here width. Click on this one and press OK. And now this one is exactly in between these two electrodes. Nice. And now let's also bring this component. So we'll select this face with this one, select here concentric. It should be like this. And then select this face with this one, select here coincide. And now let's insert the lock nut and the gasket. First, let's select this face with this one, select here concentric, and then select this one with this one and select here coincide. Okay, and now let's insert the lock nut. Select this face with this one from the insulator, select here concentric, and then we'll have to select this face with this one and should coincide. And now everything should be okay. Now let's hit the rebuild and we'll be able to see everything in the section view. And this should be all the components. Let's close the section view, and this is how it should look, this spark plug. This was the tutorial for today. This was the assembly of the spark plug. And if you have a problem here with the shell that because this insulator is too long here, watch my last video where I'm showing you how you change here, how you fix this, because it was a small mistake in the dimensions for this shell. Anyway, this was it for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.